After installation is complete, the SpeedDream application will start. The default settings include a configuration for a human player to use the mouse and keyboard. This can be changed via the Configure Player menu. Here we are able to set the name for the player, his skill level, and the type of transmission he will use. Auto is where the simulator will change gear automatically. Sequential, where the player shifts up and down. Grid, where the gear is selected via a number of buttons. H-box, where the gear is selected via an XY joystick arranged in a standard H pattern. More than one player can be defined, allowing for split screen racing or different setups. Next, we need to define which controls will be used. Any number of controls can be bound to different inputs. When started, SpeedDream senses all of the available input devices. Any combination can be used for each player. Simply select the control and press or move what you want to use for it. On this system I have a Driving Force Pro and a gamepad. The control type will vary according to the control and the device used. For example, the pedals on my wheel are axes and the buttons are, well, buttons. SpeedDream attempts to choose the appropriate mode. For example, a pressure-sensitive button reports both as a button event and an axis event. If you prefer to use the other type, then reselect the control and it should toggle. The A to B type is where a position range on an axis is mapped to a button event. Steering sensitivity adjusts the linearity of the steering. 1 is linear. Speed sensitivity adjusts the steering according to the speed of the car. And dead zone sets the no steer range for the wheel or joystick. Once the controls are set, we need to calibrate to sense the desired ranges. Perform joystick movements as requested on the screen and click a button after each. Reset will restart only the page that you are on. When done, click Done or Next. When the control configuration is complete, click Save.